In this video, I'll guide you through how to delete Roblox account permanently. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. To delete your Roblox account, first log into Roblox account and click on this gear icon and then settings. Now click on privacy and content restriction. Then you'll find an option called account deactivation and deletion. But on this place, you'll only find account deactivate. To delete your Roblox account permanently, you need to click on this gear icon and then help and setting. Then click on Help Center. Now on the search field, search for delete account. And tap on how to deactivate or delete my account. Then you'll find this option. Now click on Support Form. Now type your username here and then first and last name. Then you type your email address and confirm the email address. Now click on device type drop-down box and choose PC and choose help category. Then it is scroll down and find I want to delete my account and select it. Again click on subcategory and select I want to delete my account. Now you describe how you delete your Roblox account and click on continue. Then Roblox support team will contact you and help you to delete your Roblox account permanently.